Hi, this is Murray from Second Time Tech, and this is the long-awaited box that was supposed to be here on the 7th of December, I think it was. And so it finally showed up today, which is the 18th. And that's why I haven't been doing any of my videos, because I've been waiting for this, and I thought it was only going to take a few days, and it took a lot longer. So I'm going to take my AMD Swiss Army knife that I got back in 1999, and I will open the box. This is my second unboxing. I sure hope it's the case I ordered. Try not to hit the microphone because it'll be noisy. And lo and behold, it's the case I ordered. And I don't know if you guys remember this or not, but it is the case that I ordered on Black Friday from Amazon Canada, and it was, I think it was $19.99, and it was regular. I think regular price is around $35 to $40, but they said that the price was around 50 some or 60 some. But I think they do like most places and jack up the price just before they sell it. But makes it look good. And when I worked at Staples, what they said was, well, at one time we sold it for that. Yeah, well, guess what? Anyway, I never felt right doing it, but I had to. But stopped working there long time ago. I think it was 2006, I think was when the last time I worked at Staples, if I'm not mistaken. So that was 12 years ago. So I don't hold any responsibilities with them anymore. And it comes with a manual. And it's a very light case. It's a very inexpensive case. And the reason why I bought this one is so that I can put my inexpensive stuff in it. And then what I want to do is I'm going to make it as a beginner gaming computer, and then I'm going to switch it over to a NAS. This is where I'm going to put my NAS in. And that might be a little while before I get to do that. But I got to get a couple of drives, and I got to get a one of those new 200 GEs because I don't need much power with that. I only need like about 4 gigs of RAM too, so I don't need a whole lot to run it. Now I'll probably run an Ubuntu version, or I should say a Linux version of a NAS on it, because they do have better system for that than what Windows has, and especially for free. Anyway, it comes with, of course, all the cables connected, and what's really nice is everything's black. The cheaper ones, usually they're not. Usually they have silver on them and stuff like this and whatnot, but this one doesn't. It has black everywhere, and it's got a 3-prong fan on the front, which means, and it's a 120, so that means that it's a DC. And then the one on the back, the 80 mil, it's the same thing. It's a DC fan. But I mean, for the price, I mean, who's going to complain? And it even has the studs in the right places already for it, already put in. There, for the motherboard. So that's actually quite nice too. So basically, that's all I wanted to really do, was to show you what the case looked like and what came with it. And this was the, I don't remember the model. It's a Rosewill FBM-X1 is what the case is. And it does have, now this one's got 2 USB 3 ports on the front and 2 USB 2 ports on the front, and then the headphone jack and then the microphone jack on it. So it's actually a little better than what I thought. And this is porous down here, so you can actually get air in through there. So that's kind of nice too. I didn't know that. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Yeah, looks like I might have to drill a few holes or cut a few holes inside of here. The little things that they do, but I'll do something in order to get some better airflow in there. Of course, it's not going to need much. And it has the window on the side, which is kind of nice. So, like, I mean, for an inexpensive system, it's not bad. I mean, it's got everything that you need on the front, and power supplies on the top. If you don't, it's not made for anything big and fancy. It's just made for kind of like an inexpensive little computer to build. But that's all I got for today. I hope you enjoyed the video. Sorry again for taking so long, but sometimes it just takes time. And this time it was, I guess, the fault of not Amazon. It was the fault of the Canadian Postal Service. And they never gave me the card to show me that I had my parcel in. So I guess I will blame this one on Canada Postal Service computer system, because I guess that's what messed up on that day, as I was told today. Anyway, thanks again for watching. If you liked the video, thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, thumbs down. If you like the content, then please hit the subscribe button. And I do want to wish everybody a wonderful day. Thank you very much for watching and listening.